We're at Ferrybridge. It's our second battery project, and what's happening out on site is we're delivering our last set of batteries. So the last 2 batteries are arriving on site. That'll be the end of the major lifting operations, and then we're into the next phase. So that's all the major lifts done. We're now into then connecting up the batteries and starting to commission them and bring them into operational service. We've got some great renewable technologies with wind and with solar, which are wholly renewable and great for our energy mix. However, we know that those power sources are intermittent occasionally. Either the wind's not blowing or the sun's not shining. And batteries are an essential part of a balanced energy network. So it means we can store the energy and we can play it back into the network when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. So it's an essential part of net zero. Well, it's the next phase. So we built Salisbury, we commissioned that, that's now in operational service, that's at 50 megawatts. And what we've done now is gone up to the next level. So this is 150 megawatts, that's a 2-hour battery. So the scale now is ramping up for us. And in the general context of our pipeline, that's the direction we want to go in. Large-scale batteries, being able to satisfy grid requirements as far as renewables and net zero is concerned. So next steps, we'll start to connect all the assets up on site. All the batteries will get connected in together into a central point. That'll enable us then to connect that into the grid. We'll commission all of those assets to make sure they operate safely. And then we'll be able to start commercially trading the battery into the UK energy network.